We want to consider rolling 2 dice and let x be the random variable that represents the minimum on those 2 dice. We want to find and graph the probability distribution for x. Well, we could have a minimum of the 2 dice as a 1, and that would happen if we have a 1 with a 2, a 1 with a 3, a 1 with a 4, 1 with a 5, 1 with a 6, or a 1 with a 1. And then we can have the reverse of these. 2 with 1, 3 with 1, 4 with 1, 5 with 1, or 6 with 1. Out of 36 rolls on the dice, if we look at this number of possibilities, what we'll find is that it's 11. So let's start our distribution. We have our x's, and then we would list our probability of our x's. And you can put the table either vertical or horizontal. So we get 1 with the probability of 11 out of 36. If we do the same thing for a 2, we would have 2 with 3, because 2 has to be the minimum, 2 with 4, 2 with 5, 2 with 6, 2 with 2, and then we can have the reverse of these, 3 and 2, 4 and 2, 5 and 2, or 6 and 2. And so when we look at the total here, out of 36, what we'll find is 9. If you continue doing this, what you'll find is for 3 that you'll get 7 out of 36. For 4, you'll get 5 out of 36. For 5, you will get 3 out of 36. And then for 6, you'll get 1 out of 36, because that would have to be the option of 6, 6. And what you want to do is check and make sure those all add up to 1. So if we add up the numerators, 11 plus 9 gives us 20, plus another 7, plus another 5 gives us 32, plus another 3 gives us 35, and then the 1 gives us 36 out of 36, which is a total of 1. Now if you want to graph a probability distribution, that is done by putting your possible x's at the bottom. And just labeling that that is your x. And then you put the probabilities on the side. And so the largest probability we have is 11 out of 36. And we need to do these in increments of every 2. Make this 9 out of 36, 7 out of 36, 5 out of 36, and then 3 and 1 out of 36. And you draw a height of the probability, a bar of the height of the probability at the value. So we have a height of 11 out of 36 at 1. At 2, we have 9 out of 36. At 3, we have 7 out of 36. And then 5 out of 36, 3 out of 36, and 1 out of 36.